Hi guys, how are you? I'm good. This is Jarsos Lectures. Today by this video, I bring you one very important and very interesting topics which is about HTML list. Before starting my lectures, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my video, to share the videos link and the channel link with your friends and with your neighbors. And as I have already told you, the lesson is about HTML lists. I hope you know what list means from your background knowledge. List means listing down something, and it is one of HTML elements. It is one of HTML elements. As I have already done many video about HTML video, HTML audio, HTML image, HTML hyperlink. An element or HTML element is defined on web browsers by HTML tag. This is the point. Since this list is also one of an element, it is defined by a tag. Let us see. What kinds of tags is used to define an HTML list on the web browsers. Let us start. HTML lists. List is actually what you know from your background knowledge. It is lists of something, lists of elements of something. Uh, so this HTML list is used to list down sets of documents, used to list down sets of elements with sequence of number or using numbers, bullet or combinations of number or bullets. This is what HTML list means. It's used to list elements of something, list sets of document, list sets of element with sequence of numbers or bullets or combinations of them. This is what list means. And those are the tags, the majorly used, majorly the common tags, used to define an HTML list on the web browsers. As I have already said within my previous video, HTML element is defined on the web browsers, or even to write HTML file to display web page, we use many tags or sets of markup tags are there. An element is defined by tags, HTML tags. Now, to define the list, we use those tags, the common tags, to define an HTML list is OL tag. This means to define ordered list. UL tag to define unordered list. Okay. LI tag, or to say list item, to define, defines list item. DL tag to define definition list. DT tag to define definition term. DD tag to define definition descriptions. Actually, OL means for ordered list, UL for unordered list, LI for list item, DL for definition list, DT for definition term, and the DD for definition description. Those are the commonly used tags to define an HTML list. And the types of lists are there. Let me say here, types of HTML list. Types of HTML list. Three types of HTML lists are there. Three types of HTML lists are there. The first one is unordered list. Unordered list means listing an element. This means when you say unordered list, listing an element without use of numbers, without use of any numbers, any alphabet, or any Roman numbers, without use of any numbers. If we list down an element which is an ordered list and it is defined by UL tag, within this unordered list or UL, list items are there, or the element which you are going to list. Those list items are defined by LI tag. We are going to see practically. I will show you the practically how to list an element by using this unordered list. Anyways, to define unordered list, we use UL tag, and to define list item, each of list item should be defined, or what we want to list down by use of unordered list should be inserted in list item. For both an ordered list, we use this one. And then list items are marked with bullets, typically small bracket circles. And we can use here type attribute is there. We can specify. But by default it uses typical small black circles. List items to be displayed on the web browsers. List items are marked with bullets, typically black circles, small black circles, to be defined on the web browsers. But what you have to bear in mind is that you can specify by type attribute. As it is value, you can use circle, you can use square, you can use disk to specify them. But by default it uses small bracket circles, which we call it disk. This is what an ordered list means. Let us see it practically. Look this. Rather than writing a new program, let us take this one, because when we write it again, or when we write new programs, it takes our time, it wastes our time. Look here, let us save list.html. This is must saving by file extensions of HTML. This must HTML body. Here UL, look, UL, then list item, as I've said, list items or element to which we are going to list down should be defined by LI tag or list item tags. Let us see what will happen on our browsers. Okay, sorry, some errors are there, some error is there. The error that we have done is that we have made one error, which is, look here, to save the file we have to use list.html, not nl. HTML is must, not nl. Look, we have said htnl, but we have to say html. But within the directory that I have chosen, there is also the file which is named list.html. That's why let me say list1.html. Then let us see again what will happen on the browser. Look, item 1, item 2, item 3. We have listed down them. So look here, item 1, item 2, item 3. This is what an ordered list means. There is no any use of numbers or alphabets like that of 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or within Roman numbers. No use of any numbers in the alphabet. So we have list down them, those elements, with the use of small circle. Look, let us specify what I have said by type attribute. We can specify here type equal to let me say disk, or let me say square. Then by saving the change that we have done, look here, by using uh, black and field squares, let me say circle, let me make it circle, circle here. Then by saving the change that I have done, let's see, look, circle by circle, we can specify uh, the elements or items of the list by unordered list. The elements or the items of unordered list. This is what unordered list means. Now, the next type, the second type, or the second types of HTML list is ordered list. It is the next, and the next, which we can say the next, and the second one. This ordered list use to define an ordered list on the web browsers. Instead of UL, we have used it for an ordered list, UL. But here we have to use OL, OL tag for saying ordered list. An ordered list use OL tag type with this is types of this attribute. Now, purpose of this OL tag is the items or the elements or the list items of this ordered list is defined on the web browsers with the sequence of numbers or alphabets 1, 2, 3, 4, or A, B, C, D, like that, to be listed down with the sequence of number. Let's use, for example, here, simply within this program, let me insert the other. Let me say here OL. Look, OL type, let me say type 1. Now type 1 means to give them with number and numbers. Here OL. The upper one is, let me distinguish them to be to separate or to specify each of them. This is an ordered list. Then here the closing tags of this header one. Then by copying this one, this is ordered list. Then look here, type 1. Let us see what will happen, or let us okay. Look, this is ordered list, this one, this is an ordered list, this is ordered list. Look here, the ordered list is given in, look, 1, 2, 3. Here by circle, type circle, I have to use it. Here type 1, I have to use it. Let me change this for this one. Type, let me say A. By saving the change, look here, look, A, B, C. I can make it Roman numbers. I can make it Roman numbers. Then simply I to make it Roman numbers. Look, 1, 2, 3, Roman numbers. Now, ordered list is to list down an element with sequence of numbers. That one is an ordered list is to list down an element with the sequence of bullets. This is the difference. And the left one is there. This is what UL. Look here, UL means for unordered list. Okay, sorry. Here it is for ordered list. To say as examples of ordered list, making this one only their references for both ordered and the ordered and the unordered list. List item is defined by li tag, li tag. But what to make them references? Look, ordered list is defined by ol tag, and the unordered one is by ul tag. Definition list is there. Definition list is there. As the name suggests, look here, definition list is not a list of items. It is not a list of items. Rather, it used to give explanations. It used to give definitions for the given terms. This is a list of terms and the explanations of the term. 2 point here is there. Look, lists of the term, lists of term, and the explanations of the listed term. Those 2 points are there within definition list. The purpose of using definition list is not to list down an items. Rather, it lists an element and also give explanations. That's why I have said definition list. We use definition list, or the purpose of definition list is not only listing down an element. Rather, it gives definitions or explanation for the listed terms. A definition list starts with this DL tag, or to define definition list on the web browsers we use DL tags, and those two, the term use DT means for definition term, and the DD means for definition description. Each definition list term, the term which you want to list, is defined by DT tag, and the definition list definition, or now definitions of definition term, definition or explanations of definition term is given by or defined by this DD or definition descriptions tag. Bear in mind, let me repeat this once again. DL is for defining definition list. DT is to define definition term, the term which you are going to explain. And the explanation is given by DD or definition description tags. This is as the examples. Let us see practical explanations of this one by taking this program. Okay, here now. Okay, let me take these lines also. Here the upper one is unordered list. This one is ordered list. This one is ordered list. Look here. This DL tag is to define definition list. DT means for the definition term. Now, the term which we are going to define is coffee. It is definition is here. DD, black hot drink. It is black and the hot drink. This is the definitions of term coffee. Here, another term which we are going to define: milk, white, cold drink. Let us see what will happen by this program by saving the change that we have done. Look, this is ordered list. This is unordered list. This is ordered list. This is sorry. Okay, I have to change this one. This is, look, this is definition list. This is definition list. By saving the change, let's look here. The first one is unordered list. The second one is ordered list. The last one is definition list. Look, coffee is black hot drink. Then milk, white, cold drink. This is definition term, this is definition description, this is also definition list. This is definition term, and this is also definition description. This is the point. Now, their difference is that an ordered list is an element without any numbers by use of bullets, but ordered list is an element by use of numbers, use of sequence of numbers or alphabet like that of A B C D or 1 2 3 4. But definition list is not only for listing down, but also giving it is explanation for the listed element, for the listed terms, for listed definition terms. To give another explanation, look, definition list, definition term, coffee is definition term, the term which is used to be defined. Here is definition description or the explanations of this coffee, the explanations of definition term. Milk is also definition term. This is its explanations. This is how output will be printed. But one very important point to look inside definition list, definition, or inside DD tag, you can put paragraph, you can put line break, you can put image, you can put link, you can put audio, you can put video. This is the point. The point inside the definition DD or definition list definition or definition list description, or which we can say definition description. We can put all of those. This is all what I have for this video. As summary, this is the video about HTML list. Listing means to list down an element, and around 3 types of HTML lists are there. The first one is unordered list, to list down an element with uses of bullets, bullet like that of disk, which we can say square, which you can say circle. We can specify within unordered list opening tag with the use of type attributes. And the next one is ordered list. This ordered list is to list down an element with the use of sequence of numbers or alphabets or Roman numbers or for whatever. The last one is definition list. This is not for listing. Its purpose is not for listing, for giving explanations, for giving definitions, or for giving description for the terms. This is all that I have for this video. And if there is any question or if there is any unclear idea, you can raise by putting or by writing it down on the comments of this video. And what I want to tell you again is that if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my videos, and to share the videos link and the channel link with your friends and with your neighbor, since the lessons and the lectures here is very important and very interesting. This is all what I have. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.